Right, got an iPhone 56 Pro, and basically what's wrong is the bridge tone pot isn't working properly. And what I've narrowed it down to is this ground wire that grounds the middle lug to the back of the pot isn't a very good connection, because I've been moving it about and things, and it's been engaging and disconnecting, and literally doesn't take much. Good bit of solder. I'm just going to touch up the cap connections and other things to stop getting my soldered iron wire caught on things. There goes my real solder on the floor. Nah, I accidentally broke a wire. I know you can't see that, but I did. Come on. And you go. There we go, that's all there is to it. I'm not going to do a playing demo because you know what you know what a tone control does, and now it's doing it again. So that's it for this one. Just if you're having controls that don't work and you know everything else is fine, just check your solder joints. Like say this one, that just wasn't grinding properly. In fact, while I'm here, I'll do that one as well, just in case. It's the middle lug where the ground wire attaches to. Oops. Can you see that? Yeah, I might as well let you watch. Yeah. That should be that.